When you hear the word tofu or bean curd, the image of the soft custard-like soy product may very well emerge in your mind. There are indeed various types of tofu. The diversity of flavor and texture of tofu in China is somewhat comparable to that of cheese. In this episode, I'm going to share a tasty and simple recipe using the tofu sheet. Check out the link above for other delicious tofu recipes in my channel. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we need 1 bag of fresh tofu sheet, which is a little thicker than tofu skins. Cut into about 1.5 inch wide. Remove the root from the Enoki mushroom. Separate it into smaller bunches. Wrap a bunch of mushrooms with 1 tofu sheet. Lay the rolls on a plate. Mince about 1 bulb of garlic. Then cut 2 small red chili peppers. To reduce to the mild hotness, I'm going to core and seed 1 of the chili peppers. Cut into small rings. 1 teaspoon of salt, set it aside. In a small pan, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. One teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn. Heat it up until the peppercorn turns dark. Pour hot oil onto the minced garlic and red chili peppers. 2 tablespoons of dark rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon of fish oil or mushroom sauce for vegetarian recipe. 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix well. Spray the sauce evenly on top of the tofu sheet rolls. Spray some light soy sauce, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Please use a spoon if you can't control the large bottle. Steam for about 10 minutes over high heat. Add scallion rinse. Pour 2 tablespoons of hot oil on top. Ready and enjoy. Before you go, please click on the like button and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.